everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a purse of the month video and maybe a little chit chat in between. But I thought I would share, you know, my bag of the month and then talk to you about something that came up a little while ago. Well, I mean, on social media, it was trending in social media, and a lot of people were giving their opinions and what they were going to do and so forth. So I thought I'd touch on that because it kind of fits into, well, not so much, but anyway, what I'm doing now. So anyway, I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing, and then we'll talk as I do it. So let me do that really quick. I'm in another space, so forgive me, y'all. It just sort of came to me and I thought I would share it with you. Okay, so this is the bag that I'm gonna be switching out from. I got this for Christmas. The better half got it for me. It's just an Anne Klein bag. I'm not sure what her name is or the style or anything. I just like the bag. That's just me. If I like it, I'll get it. But I have a lot of Anne Klein bags. I just like the classic looks of her bags and things like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna be switching out of this one. I like the bag, but it was difficult to carry it because it's really stiff. It's a hard bag, I guess is a good way to put it. And I don't know, it's not a heavy bag, it's just stiff, so it's just difficult to carry. So this is going to be one of those church bags, funeral bag, or like a special occasion bag or something like that. This is not something that I could do every day. It's just not. So I've already emptied out the trash because y'all didn't need to see it. And then another thing about it, it was a little difficult right here when I tried to zip it. It kind of got on my nerves, but I don't usually have any problems with Anne Klein bags, but I don't know, this was just a little difficult for me, but it's still a beautiful bag and I will use it again. Okay, so the one that I'm switching to is this Dooney and Burke bag that I got a couple years ago from Dillard's. I've said in the past, Dillard's has awesome clearance sales. So I actually got this one in January of 17 when they had their 50% off the clearance sale for New Year's. They always have that sale the New Year's holiday, and that is the best time to get anything higher end, luxury or whatever, because if it's marked down, it'll be 50% off that marked down clearance price. So that's when I got this one, and I have never carried it. It has been in its dust bag in my closet. It actually moved into this house with me and everything. So yeah, the bag itself was originally, what was it, $228, and it went down to $159.60, and then I think I got 50% off of that. So I felt like that was pretty good, because when it comes to stuff like this, I am not paying full retail unless I really want it, and that's rare. So anyway, I bought it then, and then I actually bought the matching wallet, which I've already put my stuff in because y'all didn't need to see all that. And yeah, so let's see, here's the tag. It fell on the floor. This was $128 originally, and then I got it for half off of $89.60. It went down to $89.60 and 50% off of that. So that's how I got the wallet to match as well. And I brought some scissors so I can go ahead and cut these little tags off. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. That's a trick, a tip I've shared in the past. If you're into, you know, buying higher end or luxury items, that's a good time to get them. Which leads me into the little topic that I wanted to discuss. I know recently Gucci had done some kind of ad or promotion or something, and they had this blackface thing going or whatever it was, and a lot of people were saying boycott the brand, and they weren't gonna carry their items or wear their items anymore. They were gonna sell them and things like that. So my thing, or my opinion on that is, while I fill my bag, is one, I don't own any Gucci. I did want some at some, you know, one point in time, but the opportunity never presented itself, and I never did get around to it. But of course now I will not. But if I was one of those individuals who did have, you know, some Gucci items on hand or whatever, one, I would not be burning any of it because you spent your money on it. Two, I wouldn't sell it. If I bought it to enjoy, I would continue to enjoy it. I just would not buy any more. I feel like, even though, you know, people are saying, well, you're representing Gucci by carrying this stuff. Honey, if I bought it, it's mine. I ain't thinking about no Gucci or nobody else. You know, it's something that I bought to enjoy, and I would continue to do it. I just would not buy any more. And y'all tell me what you think about that down below, because it's not cheap stuff. You feel me? You know, this is something you're spending hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars on, and just to sell it for one and not get what you put into it is ridiculous. And two, burning it, hell no, I'm not gonna do that. But again, I would not support the company or the brand, you know, anymore. You know, be it them or whoever may have offended people or been insensitive when it comes to you know, people of color or whatever, you know. And a lot of time, and I'm not taking up for anybody, any company or anything, a lot of times if you've not experienced certain things or been exposed to, then you don't have an understanding of. And you know, things tend to, you know, get out of hand and people take it and run with it. And then, you know, you have, you know, what's happening now, boycotts and things like that. And like I said, I'm not taking up for anybody or any company for that matter. But, you know, in this day and age, everything offends everybody or somebody. And it's wrong. I mean, certain things are definitely wrong and, you know, definitely offensive. But, you know, if I've bought it, there is no way I'm gonna burn it, like I said, for one. And I'm not gonna sell. I bought it. I mean, I've spent that kind of money in it. I just don't see that. But some people, you know, that's their, and this is my opinion again. Then like I said, if I offend anybody, oh well. This is my opinion, you know. And we can agree to disagree. But y'all tell me what you think about that, you know, down below. Let me take out all these. The warranties and stuff or whatever. But yeah, I just thought I'd touch on that. It made me think about it when I was, you know, deciding on what I was going to carry. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wallet in. And this was in the bag that I carried month before last. And I just left it. It's just got my little makeup brushes. You know, if you just happen to be out or going somewhere, you want to touch your makeup and stuff like that up. I have a fingernail file in here that I got from Dollar Tree. These are really nice too, you know, because you always get a snag nail or something. And I like the fact that it's in a case, so it won't scratch up anything in your purse. But yeah, I picked that up at Dollar Tree. But I have that in here, and I have like a little tiny little compact with eyeshadow and a purse hanger in here, so I don't have to put the purse on the floor. A little roller ball of perfume, and a lip liner, you know, lipstick, a little lip, well, should I say a lip gloss, and some little tiny makeup brushes. A little set again from Dollar Tree. It's just a little on-the-go kit that fits nicely in my purse. So I'm prepared. For whatever. And some mascara. Gotta have some mascara. So that's what's in there. And let's see what else I'm gonna put back in. I need this for work. It's a box cutter. I have a box cutter in my bag. But again, this is for work. But yeah, y'all tell me what you think. I hope I got all the packaging out. I feel like I'm still pulling out stuff. But yeah, you know, tell me what you think about that. What's your opinion on that? You know, if you have Gucci stuff, what are you doing with it? What are you gonna do with it? How do you feel about that? All that. You know, I'm curious to know, you know, what you think. I have a little pack of tissues and put that back in here as well. And these pens, y'all, I don't know. I think I've mentioned these before. I get these from Dollar General. This is a little angel pen. It has a little gold. If my camera will focus, probably won't. Has a little gold angel on it. It's metal. It reminds me of the cross pens. I mean, this is by no means a cross pen, but it has a little gold angel on it. They have different styles. They had some for Christmas, a lot of holiday themed ones, but it writes wonderfully. And you just twist it, but it's so elegant looking. I just think these are so nice, and they're $1. And you can find these at the counter at Dollar General or whatever. But I love these pens, and they feel good in the hand, and they write smoothly. I actually ended up putting 2 in here for some reason or other, but I like these pens, so I have that, and they look high-end. But yeah, y'all, tell me what you think about that. I put my keys in here because I'll mess around and forget I got them. But yeah, tell me what you think about that, because I don't know. I was just like, if you spent hundreds of dollars on something like that and you're just gonna get rid of it, you know, you're not gonna get what you put in it, for one, and burning it just doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. I'm putting my brush back in. I always keep this lip gloss. I love this color lip gloss. This is by Kiss. Oh God, this camera, I swear sometimes it just does not want to work right. I don't know if you can see it. I get this at the beauty supply store. Maybe it'll focus. There it goes. I love this lip gloss. It just goes with everything. This color is called Bailey's Vanilla. It's just a perfect nude for my skin tone, so it works with everything. So I keep that in my purse. And then, of course, I keep some spectacles. But I gotta get an eyeglass case. These are Dollar Tree glasses, but I try to keep some in there because, especially like if you're at a restaurant or something and you can't read the menu, I try to keep those with me. And have a little notebook just for writing things down on. And I keep another thing, Carmex. I always have Carmex, no matter what, in my purse. And I try to keep a mirror as well. I had this one, but this one's like really heavy, so it weighs my purse down, so I don't think I'm going to carry this one anymore. I got this from Sephora a couple years ago. It's a beautiful mirror, by the way. It has the magnified side and then the regular side, magnetic. And I love the tortoiseshell finish, but it feels like, I mean, it's heavy. It's like a hockey puck. It's really heavy. So I'm going to use one of these that I got from either Michael's or Dollar Tree or Michael's, one of the two. But it's a really nice little compact mirror that they carry. Y'all see these. They come in different colors with the bling. So I'm going to put this one in this time. It's a lot lighter. And it's a nice little mirror. You know, really nice. I don't want to blind y'all, but it's dual-sided as well. And then it'll sit up on a table. If you want to use this, like, you know, you're out, hotel or something, you can't get home, whatever. Great little mirror for that. Okay. Then I picked out some cute little accessories to go on my purse. I have this Lollyberry purse doll, if you want to call it. They were sold at Joann Fabrics, but I don't think they carry them anymore. I got all the styles that they had because I thought these were absolutely adorable, but you may be able to find them online. If I remember to, because I'll forget, I will put a link down below to where maybe you can find them if I can find them online. But these are so adorable. They have different styles, but it's just little fabric and beads made to look like a little doll, and they're so adorable. But you could do these or use these on planners or, you know, clutches, whatever you want to carry these on. Let me see if I can get it off this card. But yeah, I think they're so adorable. So I picked her out. It's called the Doll Pendant, and she has cute little accessories and things on her, and I just think they dress your bags up really nicely. So I have that, but I'm going to actually clip her on something else. I was looking for a charm through my little purse charm collection. Couldn't find one that I really liked. So I ended up using one that I made, or I'm about to. And it's this one right here. And I thought it matched really nicely. I need to clip this tag off, but I just love how it looks. Y'all know I have an obsession with skulls. I love blingy skulls. So this one I actually made and added some charms to it. Yeah, so I love how that looks with it. I don't know, just call me weird if you want to. I don't care. But yeah, it's just a skull pendant that I got from Michael's, and then I have a little turquoise pendant. I have this little key here, and then it says, I have a little charm that says eternity on it as well. And I just thought they all work together, sort of my little hippie boho kind of thing. And it works well because the bag's sort of casual, so I thought this would work good with it. And then I'm just gonna hook my little Lally Berry doll charm onto this one, along with these here. I can get her on there. Oops, there we go. My nails are just so fragile. I gotta do something about that. But yeah, just put her on there with my skull. And I just think it's so adorable, so I'm gonna put this on as soon as I cut this tag off. Goodness. But yeah, I thought that would be cute. Well, it's plastic. There we go. And there we go. And put this on the front. In there. I love how that looks. I think that is so cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just like my stuff. I always do stuff that I like. I don't follow the trends. I mean, sometimes I'll, you know, if it's something I like, yes. But I always do something that I enjoy looking at and carrying and things like that, you know, being me. So, I think that's adorable. I'm not going to put a hand sanitizer on here. I usually have something in my purse or whatever. You know, one of the Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers, you know, sometimes we clip them on, but I really don't want that on there. I just like this right here for now. Oh, and I gotta have my Tylenol, honey. Gotta have my little portable Tylenol. You never know. And I think that's everything. Oh, my mints. Gotta have my little, ooh, heck, I'm almost out. Have my little spearmints. I'm not a peppermint kind of person, but I am a spearmint kind of gal. All right. Oh. And my lotion. Oops, my hand lotion, my Jergens. Okay, and I think that's everything I'm putting back in the bag. But anyway, I hope you like this little chit chat purse of the month kind of thing. And just tell me what you think about it. You know, about this whole little boycott Gucci thing and all that kind of stuff. What would you do? So I am curious to know. Yeah, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, y'all. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.